We have a 2013 Mini One, and this is 67,000 miles, and this is a Category S from the insurance company. It's in metallic black, which looks really nice actually, and it's got a few extras which is good as well. So around the front, no damage at all. A couple of little marks there will probably polish out. And on there, if you can see it, that will definitely polish out. And in fact, bonnet's open. You can see it. I might as well just pop it and show you. And it's nice and clean under there. Someone's been looking after this. And down that side is all good. The tyres are good. It's got alloy wheels. And around the back and side is all good. Until we come to the tailgate there, which is dented. And the bumper, which is not so bad actually, that's okay. It's just kind of messed it up a little bit. Those will have to be fixed and stuff, and it needs a new, I think it's a fog and brake down the bottom and chrome trim. But it all closes properly. There's no actual damage apart from the tailgate, it looks like. And the air is good as well. There's no damage. Normally if they've had a big smash, that will crumple up when it hasn't touched it at all. And all the shut lines are good down there. And this could probably be repaired, but it's cheap enough and easy enough to swap them over. And I've got another one here which is the same colour, so it'll just bolt straight on. I have to put the chrome trim on, and these bolt off the little spoiler bit at the top. And it'll say Cooper instead of one, so you can show off you've got a more expensive car. And this side is all good. Inside, it's got a handful of extras. It's got electric mirrors. It's got auto wipers, stop start, which is pretty standard, and it's got auto lights, and it's got a decent radio. It's a boost one, but it's also got DAB as well, and it's got stop start, and it's USB and auxiliary, and it's a 6-speed. And it is, in fact, it's super clean. Might need a bit of a hoover, but not much. But the seats are lovely. You can see that with the sun hitting it. And in the back, it doesn't really look like anyone's actually sat in it, so it's all good. So, 67,000 miles on a decent car, and it's got some service history as well from BMW. These normally 5.5 up to about £6,000, but I think this reasonable price will be 3,995. And it'll be pretty much the same, and that's bolted on. It's had a painted bumper, so good saving for a very decent car.